Hi guys, welcome to this new video. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about AWS Restart. If you don't know about AWS, so AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud platform of Amazon. Every year, AWS organized a restart program in which they focused on unemployed and underemployed individuals and taught them about cloud computing. AWS Restart is a full-time classroom-based skill development and training program that prepare you for careers in the cloud and computing and also connect you to the potential employers. So if you are a student or an unemployed or underemployed individuals seeking interest in cloud computing, then I think this is the best program for you. If we talk about the curriculum, so through scenario based exercises, hands-on labs and coursework, you can learn about Linux, Python, networking, security, databases and also about the cloud fundamentals. So AWS also has an exam called AWS Cloud Practitioner. It also help you in preparing that exam. So cloud fundamentals is the most important topic when it comes to certification exam about the cloud. So I think this is the best program you ever have. And if you are really interested in cloud computing, then you should have a look in this program. AWS Restart also provides you with professional skills like effective communication, collaboration, how to build a perfect resume, and also interview coachings to prepare you for employer meetings and interviews. So this is about the curriculum of AWS Restart, and let's talk about the eligibility criteria, or we can say learner profile. So there is no as such eligibility criteria, but they have listed 4 points on their website. So let's talk about these points one by one. First is full-time availability to attend trainings Monday to Friday for the course duration. And the duration of this course is around 3 months or 12 weeks. That means you should have at least a free time to attend these classes. Second is ability to start a full-time job after course completion. So this point give you an idea that after completing this course, you will also have job opportunities. So this is the best point for this course. You also have a job opportunity after completing this training or certification. Third is excitement to launch a career in cloud computing. So that's a justified point. If you are eagerly willing to learn about cloud computing, then this is the best platform because it also provided by Amazon. Fourth point is high school diploma and GED equivalent. So GED equivalent is like a high school diploma equivalent. So if you have like 12 degree, then it's sufficient. So this is about the eligibility criteria. Now what are the benefits of this program? So let's talk about some benefits of AWS Restart. First, access free in-person skill-based training. So the program is available in offline and online mode. Through offline you can connect in person, but it's only in some cities like Kolkata, Chandigarh and Thiruvananthapuram in India. And through online mode you can connect from everywhere. So this is the best benefit about this program, that you can access it freely from everywhere. Second, build skills aligned to AWS certifications. So once you have learned about AWS cloud computing skills, then you also can prepare for AWS certified cloud practitioner exam. Third is connect with employers and start your career. So every time when we learn some skill, we find some employers or some professionals who are already in this field. So it also provide you the benefit to connect with employers and start your career. So I think this is the sufficient benefits for enrolling in this program. Now let's talk about the course outline of this course, what topics they'll cover. So they majorly cover 3 topics: Cloud Foundation, AWS Core Services and Employability Skills and Event Sessions. So in Cloud Foundation, you have a basic knowledge of Introduction to Cloud, Linux fundamentals, networking fundamentals, security fundamentals, Python programming and database fundamentals. So these topics are covered in Cloud Foundation. Second, AWS Core Services. So AWS has so many services. In this particular section, they will teach you about AWS services like tooling and automation, understanding system operations on AWS, computing servers, computing scaling and name resolution, computing containers and serverless, computing database services, networking, storage, monitoring, managing resource consumption, and also creating automated and repeatable deployments. So these are some subtopics that they will teach in this particular section. Third topic they will cover in this particular program is employability skills and event sessions. So this is about the personality development and communication skills. So in these particular sessions, they will talk about communication skills, goal setting, teamwork, collaboration, digital presence, personal portfolio, resume preparation, networking skills, how you can enlarge your network, how to connect other employers, hiring process and interview process. So this is the course curriculum of AWS Restart. So how can you apply for this program? Basically, it's a collaborative program between AWS and 5 other Indian academies: EduJobs Academy, iPrime Education Solutions, Ruman Technologies, EduBridge and Vinces. So you can apply through any of the academy. I will put link in the description of all these academies and also about this website aws.amazon.com/training/restart/. So through this website you can go through about this program, and if you have any confusion you can also read about the details of this program. So the last point is this a paid training? So first of all, the training is free, but you have to pay a security deposit of 5,000 rupees, and this 5,000 rupees is 100% refundable on successful completion of the course with 75% attendance. So after completing this course with 75% attendance, you will get your 5,000 rupees. So basically this is a free training, and in this training you will get certificate. In this training you will get a voucher for Amazon Cloud Practitioner Essential exam. Alright guys, this is it for this video, and if you have any confusion, please let us know in the comment section, and do make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends too. And all the links are in description, so make sure to check the description box and also follow us on other social media pages. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.